Oh no, wait, sorry, I gotta go Starbucks on this. Well, we're playing the Dog Island.
Again. You know...
Gonna leave home forever. You know, we should have been KK Slider. Our door is just perfect for it.
I guess.
Had to leave this shit on all night.
You know,
they say falling stars are a sign that trouble's brewing.
I was gonna say, you know, only like maybe 3 people are gonna get the Starbucks reference from Dual Destinies.
Play Phoenix Wright, it's a good series. So you be careful, you hear? I forgot his voice from yesterday to today.
That's okay.
I haven't even gone to edit this stuff. This stuff might be like completely out of sync and terrible. Hey, stay out of trouble, okay? And take care! Yes, my Smoothie Buns shall bring world peace.
We're just trying to get a doctor, not world peace. One thing at a time.
We'll let him touch our smooth ass. That'll get him on board.
Touch my Smoothie Buns. I know we're dogs, so we sniff each other's butts to say hi, but get that out of my face!
Alright. That's a lot of seagulls, and they're not flying in any sort of formation.
Do seagulls usually fly in formation?
Also, love that water texture.
I love, like, the sonar behind us.
We're looking for dolphins. They're the dogs of the sea. They're smarter than dogs.
Yeah, but we can't keep dolphins as pets. Oh, look at the one steering!
You're right, they'd rape us.
They would.
Rapists.
I was humped by a dolphin once.
Go on. Come on, if we're gonna fill commentary, you gotta tell the whole story.
I was on vacation in Cuba, and I went swimming with the dolphins, and there was this point where the dolphins are supposed to come up and give you a hug, but this dolphin that I got, like, was...
Eat the bird!
Anyway,
back to the dolphin.
This dolphin was...
Yes.
How did they bandage you without... I'm not even going... No.
He was also delicious. So I'm licking him there.
Anyway, this dolphin that I got was a little bit too enthusiastic, I think, and he knocked me over and started humping me on the dock that they had.
There's the dolphins!
Are you listening to my humping dolphin story or not?
Yeah, go on.
So anyway, so he like knocked me over onto the dock and started like humping me, and the person who was supposed to be like facilitating the whole swimming thing had to like push him away and be like, no! And my mom and dad, my dad at the end, like after I got out of the water and we were watching the dolphin show afterwards, my dad was like, so, I got to see your first sexual experience.
Because your dad is just like that.
He is. But like, I was, I think, 13 or 14 at the time, and I'm like, I don't even know what's happening. Because I thought the dolphin was just trying to get off of me. Like, I thought maybe it like fell over and it's
oh
like...
yeah, no, he was trying to get off. But not of you.
Yeah.
He was trying to get off on you.
Yeah. But no, like, I thought he'd just, like, accidentally, like, gone too far and knocked me over, and he's trying to get off the dock and back into the water.
If your paws are on my ship, you're gonna have to work as one of my crew. Again.
Arr!
You can use the barrel every day but Wednesday. Very good. Filippo here will give you all the details. Alright, get to it. Oh god, I need to give Filippo like, alright matey, I'm Filippo, nice to meet ya. You'll perform the duty given to all new crewmates, a day in the barrel. The tough job of swabbing the deck.
If you know what I mean.
To find the places that need cleaning, all you gotta do is use the triangle to wipe where it's dirty. To put it simply, you use sniffing as though searching for the item. This is what dirt smells like. Smell my ass. Come and find me once you've cleaned all the dirt from deck. Get to it.
Yeah, it's not dirt, it's poop.
This is what dirt smells like. Shove dirt in your face.
Alright.
Oh, jeez. Please tell me this is not the entire fucking game. It's just sniffing things. Just please tell me that. Tell me that now, before I have to, like, commit suicide over it. Just the boredom. Like, let me get this manual. The Dog Artist Collection Island. So I get
art list, not artist.
Oh, okay, sorry. Art list collection. So it's supposed to be, my best guess, this game was made to show off that they could 3D model dogs' faces.
Which they did a very good job of.
Yeah, but beyond that, there's no gameplay. Yeah, look, it's Bernard, the one who was steering the wheel. So now the captain's spinning the wheel.
I think I got all of the dirt. I got it all. These decks.
Good work, Shipdog. Your hard work has been noticed. Those are some smooth buns you have there. Wonder if maybe I could, you know.
Partake. We got a wolf.
Yeah, we have 2 of these things that have shown. Oh, wait, are they for buying stuff?
I think so. Medicine. Or
this feels like the tutorial level for like an MMO. Like, you know what I mean? Where there's all those kids MMOs where it's just like, you gotta get woofs to buy things, or you can pay $20 and get 4 million woofs and never have to worry about it again.
Yeah. Only there's no option to pay $20 in this.
Yeah.
Because we already paid $5 for the game!
Today I've got something for you to do other than cleaning the deck.
Barrel time.
Today you're gonna be fishing. It's a real important job. Let me introduce Bernard, our cook.
I'm Bernard. Nice to meet you.
Does he have a cold?
Constantly.
You don't seem to have a fishing rod. I'll lend you mine then.
I got a fishing rod.
Now, I'll tell you how to Listen carefully.
Yeah, he's the cook. He constantly has a cold, so he sneezes on all the food and everyone's constantly ill. They just think it's seasickness.
Fishing. Another tutorial.
Did you fish on the planks by the ocean and by the lakes?
You know, I imagine this is an excuse to get you onto the plank because you're worthless at cleaning, so you get out there, throw out the fishing rod, and then, like, the captain comes and is like, push! And now he's gone! You never have to deal with that asshole again. Don't reel in big fish too quickly. How are we supposed to tell if they're big or small? Did it say anything about that in the beginning?
No. No, it did not. Ready? Oh!
Oh yeah, a different mini-game other than sniffing. Well, this is boring.
Whoa. At least it doesn't have, like, the sounds of, Yes!
That they add to, like, every fucking fishing game
No,
ever.
I mean specifically, I got a sea bass.
A 90-cent? That's a big-ass sea bass.
Looks like you managed to get the basics. Now comes the important stuff, so listen up carefully. These waters are filled with Pacific saurian sea bass. I want you to catch one of the boats and bring them to me. We need them for a dish I'm preparing. There's a deck at the back of the ship you can fish from there. Well, go and get to it.
But no, I meant specifically from the fishing game in Okami, where...
And the one in Ocarina of Time, and now Majora's Mask 3D. Where there's like that constant reeling back
No,
sound.
I'm not talking about the reeling sound. In Okami, you had the voice of the person that was actually fishing. Because, they don't actually have voices in that game. It's just, like, muddled mumbling.
Oh, look, you got them both. First try.
Woo!
Alright, let's go give them to Bernard. So we
Oh.
can sneeze on him.
But yeah, no. I used to play Okami all the time with my mom in the other room. Like, their office was, like, outside of the,
Less than 20 feet away.
Oh, I have to catch another sea bass. Whoops. But anyway, so it's like, but it's in another room with a door, so all she could hear is, she can't see anything, she can only just hear it, and she talked to me, like, after I played Okami for, I think it was the second time, and she's like, I'm just gonna let you know, I hate it when you play that game, because all I can hear in the office is, and she's like, God damn it if that's not annoying.
No, it reminds me, just with fishing games and whatnot, when I was doing Ocarina of Time N64, because, well, I got an old N64 and played it back when I was living with my aunt and whatnot. And I was doing, like, the fishing minigame because I wanted to get the piece of part and whatnot. But the one fish you have to get for it is, like, in the middle, and I always refer to him as Barracuda. And my aunt's just like, Barracuda isn't a fish, is it? And I'm like, yeah, it's a fish. And she's like, I thought it was some sort of lion. And I'm like, what the hell? Just like, I stopped to think about that, and I'm like, how do you not know Barracuda's a fish?
Ooh,
Though granted, now the fish all have
Barracuda.
names with Majora's Mask 3D, and they're like a Hylian bass or something. Or a Termina bass, I think it is.
Tournament?
Termina.
Oh, Terminate.
Termina, the land of Majora's Mask.
I thought you said Terminate.
But no, it was like a 30-minute argument over the fact that Barracuda is actually a type of fish.
Ooh, Barracuda.
Ugh. You're never gonna get this bass.
No, I'm not.
Is there another plank you can fish off of?
No. Apparently, I've just run into a school of sorries.
I'm
They're
so sorry.
Yeah.
Well, hey, this one looks bigger. Maybe it's a bass.
Does the actual picture of the fish look bigger?
Well, no, the little icon thing. Like the bar looks to be a bigger one. Yeah, see?
There we go. Yeah. Bernard, here, take it.
I'm climbing the little steps.
You already gave me one of them. Enough with the Pacific Sorry, okay? Now I need a sea bass. Oh, this is a tasty sea bass.
Did you lick it? How do you know it's tasty?
That's a Pacific Sorry and a sea bass. Good work. That's all for today then. If you want me to be a real ship dog, you'll need some tackle. You can check that set then. You can't carry around extra fish, can you? I'll take them off your paws.
I got 4 wolves.
Whoa, wait. We can sell fish for woofs?
Apparently. But we don't know what wolves do yet.
I'm just saying, the effort it takes to get one woof by doing like a badass mission, and the fact that you just got 4 for all those sorries you got. Why are you doing missions? If you need woofs for anything, just fucking fish. Oh man, we've been out of the ocean for days.
I'm so hungry.
He keeps
Sexually-
sneezing on the food.
Yeah, I can't eat anything from...
I've been very impressed by your work. You want to work on my ship as a sailor full time?
No thank you, my days in the barrel are terrible.
that and snotty food.
And Filippo keeps looking at my smoothie buns. I'm only joking. It's so lonely here. Talk to Filippo here. He's got a job for you again. Get to it.
All ship dogs have the lives of their mates in their paws. We trust each other.
Emphasis on the mates.
Like family. One big seafaring family.
Ew, incest.
On the other paw, we don't trust dogs we don't know.
We appear to be here for like a month.
Now for the captain to let you, a dog we don't know, ride on the ship, you're gonna have to get tested. Let's just say that don't happen often, you see. You're one lucky dog. Wink. Today, like before, your job is to clean the deck. To find the places that—
Oh my god, is he gonna explain it again?
Yes.
Oh my, like, what? What's the age? E for everyone. Does E for everyone mean like ages 2 to 5?
No, that's its own rating. That's like for EC or something, for early childhood or something like that. Yeah.
The dirt doesn't smell any different, so get to it.
See? It's poop.
Yeah, it is the poop deck. Did you just say get to it again? What was that additional statement?
It's... Wouldn't it be great if I just found it by accidentally,
Yeah, sure, why not? I love how you just gotta, like, rub it and that's it.
Oh, I thought it was like digging.
Just gotta dig that dirt. We'll hide it below deck. They'll never find it there. Like, this is the most unintuitive search system I've ever seen.
Yeah, well, I think I've seen worse.
It's like, it's arbitrarily high everywhere you go. Like, you're basically just looking for that last 3. There you go. I had to let you concentrate there for a second.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more.
I needed you to shut up.
But shutting up is terrible commentary.
I know. Oh my god, there's more. How much did they shit?
I don't know. Like I said, it looks like you've been here for like a month, and apparently you're the only one who does this job. Also, the whole not trust thing, shouldn't that have come up on the first day?
Yeah.
Like...
Not after. I've already,
done like
cleaned the
3
dig,
jobs.
found food for them.
Helped that bird that apparently they were all just fine with.
They're like, eh,
Good work, Shipdog.
bird.
Your hard work hasn't gone unnoticed. Wink.
I got another wolf.
Whoa, the wind has changed. Captain, the storm's coming.
And it's called Senor Smoothie Buns. Mmm.
This is a really nice day for a storm. Well, it's getting slowly darker. Not cloudier, just darker.
Darker and raining.
Raining straight lines.
That's how they do it in anime. It's like Japanese rain.
I'm gonna say, are you comparing this crap to anime?
No, I'm just saying that's how they do it in anime.
Arr! We'll never make it to the Dog Island in this storm. My
Look at
ship
him just
won't
running
hold.
around.
Oh god! Oh god, what'll I do? What'll I do? Oh no! Ah!
It's so cold, I'm gonna get a cold.
Senor Smoothie Buns!
Apparently the bird's just better.
I'm sorry, I have to break my promise like this. I gotta cancel the trip to the Dog Island.
No!
I'm awful sorry, Senor Smoothie Buns.
But I'm looking at this bird instead of you.
Oh! I know you want to get there as soon as you can, but I gotta worry about my crew. I promise you, I will get you to the Dog Island. But not this trip. We'll take you there on the next trip.
No! No! I need to get medication for my sister.
Hey! Hey! Stop! Someone! Stop, Senor Smoothie Buns! Grab him by the Smoothie
Oh
Buns!
shit!
Whoop.
I just dove over the edge.
Oh, they're howling. I guess we're dead. And that bird's gonna die, too. This will be great.
Oh no, no!
What is with the sadness in this goddamn game? First you leave your home and your sick sister, and now you're just drowning? Also, he's circling you like a vulture. Maybe he's been plotting all this time to eat you.
But he doesn't have the right beak for it.
Oh god, I forgot we looked that up, the difference between beaks and bills. Because it came up.
Oh, hello.
We look so, like, scraggly.
Because we're a long-haired dog breed. What?
Amalia.
Amalia. What kind of voice should Amalia have?
I don't know, she's got jingly bells. Maybe she's a Daisy Dukes type.
I don't know what that sounds like.
She's like southern.
No. Like every other voice I try to give people by accident.
Pretty much. We'll make it easy on you.
I don't even think I can do a southern accent. Intentionally, I mean.
You're awake. Oh, thank goodness.
Okay. I think you should just do a mouth.
No, I'm not doing every voice.
You're on the Dog Island. My name's Amalia, and you are?
I am Senor Smoothie Buns.
He introduces him.
No, wait, sorry. Yo soy Senor Smoothie Buns. You are a lovely bitch.
Did you swim all the way here through all that stone? And you wouldn't like a dog.
I know, look at these smoothie buns.
A seabed in these parts has a lot of sharp rocks. Wow, that was Southern English. Sharper than the teeth of a shark they are. If you happen to hit one of those rocks, well, you wouldn't even be walking upright now.
I'd have been
Waking
visceral.
up right now.
I'd have been visceral all over the coast. Well, hey, look at these smoothie buns. I wonder what they belong to.
That kind of reminds me, we went to Florida, all I found was sea turtle pieces all over the beach. And I'm like poking them, I didn't know what they were, and then I found like a half a piece of a shell, and I'm like, oh!
I'm gonna have to give you a minute, because I gotta poop.
Announce that on the recording.
Yep, it's announced. Just keep talking for her. Entertain the people.
Are you talking to the dog? Oh. Oh. You should thank that little birdie there, too. Mr. Birdie told me that you fainted. You were lucky that Mr. Birdie came to tell me, you know. Now we're loading. Oh, I can't do this by myself. You're missing a cutscene! I can't do this all by myself. But tell me, what's so important that would make you try to reach this island in such a stone? You explain the situation. Oh dear, you come all the way to see Dr. Potan? He has a clinic at the village square. You can get there by crossing the stream to the west of this house. He has a sign out in front so you can't miss it. I'll be waiting there for you, okay? Sugar plum?
Oh, that came on me as suddenly as that storm came on that ship. What did I miss?
Dr. Potan's house is just across the bridge. Follow me.
Oh yeah, that's what we were doing.
Yeah, Dr. Potan.
Ah.
Feel better?
Yep. Wow, his icon is a band-aid and what appears to be female medicine.
Female medicine?
Yeah, it looked like a. I'll back it up and like draw over it or something, but. Like the female Nidoran symbol.
Female Nidoran? You mean just like...
Hey, we have a map.
I think it's the Venus symbol, actually.
We actually have a map.
We do. It's Leslie.
Leslie. There are a lot of dogs that lived in this village, Mr. B.
That's Wesley, not Leslie.
I know, that's what I'm going with, though. Why don't you say hi to them? It might be fun. Are you programmed to be thinking what I'm thinking?
Makeover. Makeover. Can I talk to this cow? No, I can't.
Yo! What's happening, dog? Be passionate about what you're doing, like I'm doing this cow. I don't know what you want out of life, but keep on shooting for it. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do this cow. I think somebody else made that joke. Oh, I guess you randomly walked into Potan's office.
Apparently. The running controls are really hard on this.
He looks rather educated.
Because he has glasses?
No, it is fur pattern. Oh, hello there, Miss Amelia. Whatever can I do for you today?
Amalia.
And who is this fine young pup you have with you today?
Why is everyone gay?
It's all about dominance.
This is Senor Smoothie Buns. Senor Smoothie Buns desperately needs your help, Doctor.
I see. And whatever might be the matter.
You explained everything.
That's a lot to explain.
Again. Everything.
Me, a famous doctor? Please, I just love to help others. For a nominal fee. I have, however, treated a similar sickness in the past. For a nominal fee. Although I doubt this is exactly the same. I fear this may be too much for me. For any less than my nominal fee.
Apparently, nominal fee is just his catchphrase.
Doctor, please, help me, Senor Smoothie Buns.
Very well, I shall do what I can.
Earth.
Great, isn't it, Senor Smoothie Buns?
I'm sorry, but to find a cure, I'll need to do some research to find out what kind of medicine to use. I'll need a few days.
And Google.
You know, Poogle.
Google. Well, the thing is actually a lot of doctors just use Google nowadays. Like, in the emergency, they just have, like, a laptop with Google running to put in your symptoms.
All things considering, it's easier than memorizing 10 million different illnesses and new ones that pop up every year.
It's true.
You'll be here for a while, right? Then you'll need
Oh my god, her eyes look so red. Is she on drugs?
She's just high.
On drugs?
I got an idea. Noble has an empty house he isn't using. Let's go talk to him.
Running. We're almost at half an hour.
We are, which is another episode. As I'm cutting these at like the half hour.
Oh, are you?
Because cutscenes take for fucking ever. An episode would be a goddamn cutscene.
Look at Mr. Scraggly. He's so fluffy.
Feathered cap, really? Amelia, who is this pup with you?
Senor Smoothie Buns. Check out his smoothie buns. Senor Smoothie Buns, this is Noble, the village chair dog.
Oh, please, my position is of no importance. Just let me straighten my tie. You're not from these parts, are you, young one?
No, he comes from Pororo Town.
Oh, the big city.
That was really the big city, and the place didn't seem that large.
I was gonna say, this place seems bigger. I thought I detected a fragile hint of masked elegance emanating from you. Good God, who did write that line? Something absent from so many around here. Care to see my estate? Oh, I'm sorry. I fear I've confused you. Please, ignore my big words. What brings you to our cozy island, then?
He came here to ask for Dr. Potan's help to cure his sick sister.
Of course, Dr. Potan, a fine doctor, isn't he? I presume he agreed to help?
He did, but he needs a few days to get ready. And so Senor Smoothie Buns has to stay here for a while, but he doesn't have a place to stay. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but you have an empty house, don't you, Noble? Would you lend it to Senor Smoothie Buns?
I could do that for a nominal fee.
Seriously, what the hell's up with the nominal fees? I don't have any money. I got some woofs. Can I pay you in woofs?
But I should ask you something first. Do you believe in ghosts? Do I look like fucking Scooby-Doo to you? This empty house of mine,
Well, we could have made a Great Dane and called him Scooby-Doo.
Rewind, restart the whole series. Fuck it all, start from scratch. It just so happens to be the site of some rather strange occurrences. Dogs have heard voices from thin air, or sounds of something moving in an empty room, though I'm convinced that Amelia's just staying there and using it to cook crack. Look at those eyes. It could just be that they're all hallucinating.
No, man, no. I do weed only. I don't go for no crack or anything like that. Simply weed to relax.
BrantFurred does not condone the usages of illegal substances.
Want some brownies?
At all. Of course, I don't believe any of it. But some dogs in the village think the place is haunted. Indeed, some even go so far as to suggest that my family is cursed. What nerve! I cannot afford to allow such rumors to carry on.
Scribbly!
They could damage the good name of my family for generations to come. If you find out the real reason for this haunting and solve the matter, then the house is yours for as long as you need it, for a nominal fee. The house I speak of is to the west of this house.
There's a mailbox in front. You can't miss it. I'll be there waiting for you. Okay.
That's 30 minutes. So we'll find out about the haunted house next time.